ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، السلام علیکم۔ امید کرتا ہوں کہ آپ لوگ سارے خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، جغرافیکل اسیٹ جو کہ پنجاب ٹیکسٹ بک کا نیا کورس ہے، اس کے چیپٹر نمبر 6 کی آج کویسچن آنسرس کریں گے۔ تو اس چیپٹر نمبر 6 کا نام ہے سوشل اینڈ اکنامک ڈیولپمنٹ۔ پہلے وہ والے شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن کریں گے جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں، پھر اس کے بعد ایڈیشنل یعنی اضافی شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن بھی کریں گے تاکہ سارا یونٹ کور ہو جائے۔ تو پہلے وہ والے شارٹ کویسچن کرتے ہیں، شارٹ کویسچن کے آنسر کریں گے جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں۔ تو کویسچن نمبر 1، ڈیفائن اکنامک ڈیولپمنٹ۔ آنسر: اکنامک ڈیولپمنٹ از دا انکریز ان نیشنل انکم along with improvements in living standards and economic structure over time. Question 2, enlist the development indicators. Answer: per capita GNP, per capita energy consumption, and percentage of labor force in primary activities are the development indicators. Question 3, what are the main human development indicators? Answer: health, education, and standard of living are the main human development indicators. Question 4, enlist major roots of modern technology. Answer: reorganization of labor, use of machines in manufacturing, exploitation of man-made materials, and use of new sources of energy. Question 5, what is the role of OECD? Answer: OECD promotes economic development by providing research, analysis, and policy recommendations. It helps countries improve economic and social well-being and solve economic problems. اب ہے لانگ کویسچن جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں ان کے آنسرس۔ Question number 1, discuss the economic indicators of development and their importance. Answer: economic indicators help measure the level of development of a country. The main indicators are per capita GNP, shows average income and economic well-being. Per capita energy consumption indicates industrial and economic activity. Labor force in primary activities. A higher percentage shows lower development. Importance: these indicators help compare countries, measure progress, and guide planning for development. Next ہے Question 2, write the human indicators for the development of the country. Answer: human development indicators include health and life expectancy, shows the general health of people. Education, measured by years of schooling. Standard of living, reflects availability of goods and services. Per capita income, higher income improves quality of life. GDP growth rate indicates economic progress. Question number 3, what is the role of science in technological development? Answer: science provides the knowledge that leads to technological advancement. It helps in developing machines and tools, improving agricultural production, enhancing industrial progress, advancing communication and transport. Question number 4, discuss the role of inflation in the development of a country. Answer: inflation is the rise in prices and fall in purchasing power. Controlling inflation encourages production and economic growth. High inflation reduces purchasing power, increases poverty, and slows growth. In developing countries, higher inflation negatively affects development. Question 5, explore the importance of healthcare in development. Answer: healthcare is very important for development because it improves productivity of workers, increases life expectancy, reduces infant mortality, promotes economic stability, helps reduce poverty. اب ہے کریٹیکل تھنکنگ کوشچنز جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں ان کے آنسرس. Question number 1. How can we improve HDI in Pakistan? Answer. We can improve HDI in Pakistan to improve education system, increase healthcare facilities, reduce poverty, create job opportunities, ensure equal opportunities for all. Question number 2. Why do we care about health in development? Answer. We care about health in development because healthy people work better, live longer, and contribute more to the economy. Question 3. What can we do to stop unemployment and inflation? Answer. We can stop unemployment and inflation to create more job opportunities, promote industries, control prices through government policies, encourage investment and production. اب ہے ایڈیشنل یعنی اضافی شارٹ کویشچنس اور ان کے آنسرس. Question number 1. What is meant by per capita income? Answer. Per capita income is the average income per person in a country. Question 2. Why is per capita GNP considered an important indicator? Answer. Per capita GNP is considered an important indicator because it shows the average economic well-being of people. Question 3. What does low per capita energy consumption indicate? Answer. Low per capita energy consumption indicates a low level of economic development. Question 4. What is meant by primary activities? Answer. Primary activities include agriculture and extraction of natural resources. Question 5. Which activity is most important among primary activities? Answer. The activity of agriculture is the most important primary activity. Question 6. What is GDP? Answer. GDP is the total value of goods and services produced within a country. Question 7. What is life expectancy used to measure? Answer. It measures the health condition of a population. Question 8. What happens when inflation is too high? Answer. It harms the economy and reduces purchasing power. Question 9. What is the relationship between energy consumption and development? Answer. Higher energy use shows higher economic development. Question 10. What is technological backwardness? Answer. It is the lack of modern technology in a country. اب ہے ایڈیشنل لانگ کویشچنس اور ان کے آنسرس. Question 1. Differentiate between economic growth and economic development. Answer. Economic growth refers to an increase in output of or income of a country. It is a quantitative concept. Economic development is broader and includes growth along with improvements in living standards, technology, and social conditions. It is both quantitative and qualitative. Question 2. Explain the relationship between energy consumption and economic activity. Answer. Energy consumption reflects the level of economic activity. Low energy consumption is linked with the subsistence agriculture and less development. High energy consumption is associated with the industrialized and developed economies. Thus, energy use is a strong indicator of economic progress. Question 3. Describe the importance of labor force structure in development. Answer. The structure of labor force shows the level of development. A large number of people in primary activities indicates a low development. More workers in secondary and tertiary sectors show higher development. Therefore, labor distribution helps measure economic progress. Question 4. Explain other measures used to determine development besides main indicators. Answer. Apart from GNP, energy and labor force, other measures include life expectancy, food supply, population growth rate. These help give a broader understanding of development and living conditions. Question 5. Discuss how technology improves agriculture and industry. Answer. Technology improves agriculture by introducing better seeds, fertilizers, machinery. In industry, it helps by increasing production, improving efficiency, reducing costs. Thus, technology plays a key role in economic development. Question 6. Describe the current position of Pakistan in HDI. Answer. Pakistan ranks low in the Human Development Index. It ranked 161 out of 192 countries. Uh, this shows challenges in health, education, and living standards and indicates the need for improvement. تو یہ تھے ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس یونٹ نمبر 6 یہ چیپٹر نمبر 6 کے کویشچن آنسرس جو کہ آپ لوگوں کو پسند آئے ہوں گے. تو یہ جو کویشچن آنسرس ہے یہ اگر آپ لوگوں کو PDF فارمیٹ میں چاہیے تو یہاں پہ میں اپنا واٹس ایپ نمبر دے رہا ہوں. تو اس واٹس ایپ نمبر پر آپ لوگ مجھے وائس میسیج یا ٹیکسٹ میسیج کر سکتے ہیں. لیکن اس سے پہلے آپ لوگوں نے اس چینل کو سبسکرائب کرنا ہوگا. پھر میں آپ لوگوں کو یہ کویشچن آنسرس PDF فارمیٹ میں بھیج دوں گا اسی نمبر پر جس نمبر سے آپ لوگوں کا میرے پاس وائس میسیج ہو یا ٹیکسٹ میسیج آئے گا. تو جاتے جاتے آپ لوگوں سے ریکویسٹ ہے کہ اس چینل کو بھی لازمی سبسکرائب کرنا ہے اور اس کو لائک بھی کرنا ہے اور اپنے دوستوں کے ساتھ شیئر بھی کرنا ہے. تو انشاءاللہ ملیں گے نیکسٹ کسی لیسن یا کویشچن آنسرس کے ساتھ. اس وقت تک اجازت چاہتا ہوں. اللہ حافظ.